Okay, welcome to MOREONYX. This is your friend Sydney. Okay, in front of me, this is a very beautiful old Snow White onyx process and with glass. Okay, in front of you, all you see are very popular marble. So many popular marble in the market, but the most big difference is we are super thin process. Okay, the surface is only 5mm, and the button, like this one in my hand, is 5mm thickness honeycomb. Of course, we have different material. Like this one is PVC 3mm, and green. This one is green onyx. You see, it can be transparent because it's very thin. When it can be transparent. Okay. Also, we use laser to print on our logo. So many different kinds of onyx, different kinds of stone, different kinds of marble. All white marble, brown, yellow, green. So once you are interested in this product, just keep in touch with us, and welcome to follow our channel on MOREONYX, and let's try to work together in future and try our best to make more beautiful product and to make more people can enjoy the natural beauty. Okay.